Honey loves her new bed. She's still scoping out her new bowls. Finished the design I did, and it was a lot of gravel, a lot of flagstone, block border. So this goes around the side. There was drainage problems, so it's not going to be muddy here anymore. And we got a nice little walkway, which we'll go ahead and check out. Then it de-elevates right here so it can fit the gate. Just got a few rocks to move. So I'll clear those out before I go. There we go. So that shuts good. I'll thin out the rocks just a little bit right there, and we'll go and continue. So, and then the flagstones go all the way around to right here where the block border picks up, and there she is. So let's go check out the other way. And what's going to happen is there's going to be about 25 wax myrtles all through here. Going to be long, mass planted in a hedge. About 25 southern wax myrtles, which are going to love that swampy area. They're drought tolerant, but when they get a lot of water, they just tend to get bigger faster and have larger leaves. So a lot of stone block border, and it ties in with some other stuff I did. I put this little island here and that island over there. So that was from a couple years ago. That one's the one in the corners from last year, the one closest to us. Oh, actually, I think the other one was first. But anyway, and here we go. So nice little walkway that levels out right here at the concrete. And I did this too this year, actually. The bed I did a couple years ago, but the stones and everything, that is from recently, like within 2 months. And it goes all the way around. So, and around the tree rings.